Hello everyone, I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. Today we will discuss about the UGC approved journal for the engineering branch and multiple disciplinary. So let's start. So in this category, the first journal name publisher name is the Springer, very renowned publisher. This is the Springer, and the journal name International Journal of Advances in Engineering Sciences and Applied Mathematics. As its name indicates, it is specially dedicated for the engineering branch and also the mathematics and science. So this is the description of this particular journal, so you can explore as per yourself. Now the most important thing for you, so the first decision submission to first decision within 18 days. So within 18 days के अंदर आपको सबमिशन के रिगार्डिंग आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेट कर दी जाएगा, वेदर योर मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट पब्लिश एक्सेप्टेड और रिजेक्टेड और समथिंग माइनर चेंजेस. तो जो भी उसके रिगार्डिंग जो भी डिसीजन हो विद इन 18 डेज के अंदर आपको स्प्रिंगर जर्नल्स की तरफ से आपको कम्युनिकेट कर दिया जाएगा, और विद इन 65 आपका पेपर पब्लिश हो जाएगा एज पर देयर मेंशन डेट एंड टाइम. So this is the kind of very important thing to all of you, all the researcher faculty, those who are going to the publish your research for in this particular category. So this is the very fast publication journal by the Springer. So this is the very renowned publisher. So I recommend to all of you go for this journal and publish your research paper if you are having at least this time. So if we will talk about the indexing, so you can check here, this is the very rich indexing, so very rich database indexing. So first category is this, the most important UGC approved journal, as that there is no issue for this, and these are also the remaining other indexing. So most important thing, this is the UGC approved journal. Within 60 days means within 2 months के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिकेशन हो जाएगा, और वो भी अपने बहुत अच्छे जर्नल में, दैट इज़ द स्प्रिंगर. सो आई रिकमेंड टू ऑल ऑफ यू गो फॉर दिस जर्नल. नाउ द पब्लिशर पब्लिकेशन प्रोसेस द सेम, आपको अपना लॉगिन आईडी क्रिएट करना रहेगा इसमें, एंड देन फाइनली प्रिपेयर योर मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट एज पर द गाइडलाइन गिवन टू हियर. सो यू नीड टू click on this particular tab, and then finally prepare your manuscript and research paper, and then need to submit your research paper to the publication. Now the second category is the Bentham Science. This is the publisher name. Bentham Science, the very renowned platform for the publishing the research paper and authentic journal. This is the very renowned platform. So this is the journal name, Recent Advances in Computer Science and Communication. So as per the name indicated, it is especially dedicated for the computers and communication. So CS, IT, electronics, electrical, so these areas comes under this particular aim and scope. So you can explore at yourself also. This is the aim and scope. So you can find out the aim and scope under this category, journal home or authors guideline. So when we click on the authors guidelines, so definitely you will get about the aim and scope of this particular journal. So now if we will talk about the indexing, so this is the indexing of this particular journal. So very good indexing, Scopus index journal है, Scopus index journal है rather, and वेरी रिच इंडेक्सिंग है. बेबी बहुत सारी जगह इंडेक्सिंग है, लेकिन मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है कि इसके स्कोपस इंडेक्स जर्नल है, यूजीसी अप्रूव्ड है. तो आप एक बार चेक कर लें अपने लेवल पर, एंड देन आफ्टर सेटिस्फैक्शन देन यू नीड टू सबमिट योर रिसर्च पेपर टू द पब्लिकेशन. सो वेरी गुड जर्नल है, बहुत सारी इसमें डिटेल्स दी गई है, तो आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट करके चूज करके देख सकते हैं. जर्नल होम पेज पर टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे, देन यू विल बी रीडायरेक्टेड टू द जर्नल होम पेज. This is the author guidelines, so definitely you will be redirected to the journal aim and scope. So this is the aim and scope. So just read out carefully whether it's match with your research area or under your field. So then you need to submit your research paper. So these are the so many guidelines to given to you about the publication charge, tracking, manuscript publish, submission. There are the so many things are available. Very good platform, very user friendly platform. So I recommend to all of you go for this journal and explore this particular site before publication or your research paper. Now next category is the ADBU Journal of Engineering Technology, AJET. This is the ISSN number of this particular journal. This is also the UGC approved journal and especially dedicated for the engineering and technology researcher and faculty members. So those who are comes under this category are required to submit your research paper for the publication, because it is the UGC approved journal. So before publication you need to ensure at your level also. So these are the guideline above authors guidelines. So before publication you need to prepare your research paper or manuscript as per the given guideline. This is the editor mail ID, so you can shoot a mail about any type of query, then they will revert back to you within 24 hours definitely. So I recommend to all of you explore this journal, also very good journal. So I will provide the all journalists inside the description box, then you need to click on this particular link and then definitely you will be redirected to the this home page. So this is the indexing or focus and scope. So just you need to click on the about, so you will be redirected to particular this page. So this is the home focus and scope, aim and scope. So this is, you can just read out, these are the aim and scope. Very good wide area or very good coverage area of the image processing, computer, cloud computing, means all categories of the computer science and electrical or electronics students, researcher, all categories comes under this particular aim and scope. Now the next category is the publisher is the scientific.net. This is the publisher name. Now the journal name is the Advanced Engineering Forum. Now this is the ISSN number of this particular UGC approved journal. है very important thing to all of you. This is also the UGC approved journal and very good indexing. UGC approved. This is the indexing. You can check these are the indexing of this particular journal. So if you satisfy or you after satisfying your each and every corner, so then you need to publish your research paper. So this is the टाइमिंग ऑफ द पब्लिकेशन पर ईयर इसके 3 to 5 मीन्स मैक्सिमम इसके 3 to 5 मीन्स अगर मैं एक ओवरऑल बात करूँ तो विद इन 3 months और विद इन 4 months के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर एक अच्छे यूजीसी अप्रूव जर्नल में पब्लिश हो जाएगा। पब्लिकेशन के लिए आपको यहाँ पर रजिस्ट्रेशन क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, आपका लॉगिन आईडी क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, देन यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर योर मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट देन सबमिट टू द पब्लिकेशन। Next category comes again. This is the Bentham Science Publisher and the journal name is the International Journal of the Sensors, Wireless Communication and Control. As per the title, we can assume this is especially dedicated to the computer science engineering and electronics and electrical engineering researchers, students. So those who comes under this category are need to require to publish your research paper. Now you can check the aim and scope, then same process you need to create a login ID, publish, and then finally prepare your manuscript to submit the publication. Next category is the InterScience Publisher. This is also a very good publisher. The journal name is the International Journal of Design Engineering. Now the category, we will talk about the category. This is the open access category of this journal. Now the publication time within 6 month के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश होगा। पब्लिश करने के लिए आपको अपना लॉगिन आईडी यहाँ पर क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, देन आपको अपना रिसर्च पेपर रेडी करना रहेगा एज पर द गिवन गाइडलाइन. सो यू कैन रीड आउट फ्रॉम दिस टैब, देन these are the topics covered on this category of aim and scope of this particular. So you can see, and if your research area comes under this particular category, then you need to submit your research paper. So this is all about the indexing, and this is also the UGC approved journal, so you can also check at your level also. Now next category is the InterScience Publishers also. Now this is the open journal category. Now this is the journal named International Journal of the Financial Engineering and Risk Management as per indication of the title. So it is especially dedicated of this particular area. So these are the aim and scope and topics covered under this particular journal. So this is the very good wide area coverage area of this particular area journal. So this is the indexing, very good indexing, and also comes under the UGC approved journal. So you need to register yourself for the publication and then prepare your manuscript. Next category is the UGC approved journal, International Journal of the Information Technology and Electrical Engineering. This is also the very good journal, and you can see here this is the there is no publication fee. कोई भी इसके लिए आपको चार्जेस देने की जरूरत नहीं है as per their instructions. So once your research paper has been accepted by the editors or reviewers, then there is no publication fee required to pay. Now this is the coverage area. I think this is the aim and scope of this particular journal to publish your research paper. If your research area comes under this category, then you need to submit your research paper for the publication. So you can see this is the submission deadline is the July 20. This is the recently. So if you are having this time and ready manuscript, then you need to submit your research paper. How we will submit? You need to create the login and ID password. You can also read out the journal author's guideline, then prepare your manuscript, and all the things are available here. So just you need to explore each and every tab for your satisfaction, and then you need to submit your research paper for the publication. Next category is the International Journal of the Materials, Mechanics and Manufacturing. As per the indication of the title name, it is especially dedicated of this particular research area. So now you can archive the current issue also, and about the journal aim and scope we can also explore, and each and everything we can explore at your level also before publication of the public paper. So this is the acquisition, thermodynamics and computational mechanics. So these are the engineering materials. So if your research area comes under this category, then you need to submit your research paper. And the timing of the publication you can see here, this is the bi-monthly, means within 2 months के अंदर आपका research paper publish हो जाएगा. If we will explore about the indexing, then we can check. So this is all about the indexing, then you can check, and then finally you need to submit your research paper after satisfaction of this particular journal. Next category is the reliability, theory and application. The ISSN number of this particular journal is this. And now electronic journal, only print electronic journal के behalf में publish करते हैं सारे research paper को, there is no print. So this is all about the particular journal. Now you can explore each and every corner, each and every description information about this particular journal. So I ensure, and I ensure this is the UGC approved journal. And now I also recommend to all of you go for the UGC approved journal, and then finally check this ISSN number. If there is available, then you need to publish your research paper if you are interested. So this is all about the engineering journal, computer science, multidisciplinary, mechanical, computer science and electrical. There are so many things are available. So if you feel this channel is useful to all of you, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also help your friends also by sharing this channel. Thank you friends for watching this video.